Guys, I am back on this 45-foot mirror. I still haven't confirmed that, but last video I basically put glass and filler and jump over there in this area, and basically just polishing it out. I'm gonna do a dry 600 and 8 and 15 and then 3,000 pretty much. I don't know if you guys can hear that thunder. Yeah, it looks like a nice storm about to break. I hope we kind of need it. I like to work my way in from the edge over there with the first sanding at least. Orange peel out, that kind of thing, or most of it, the heavy stuff, and that's really where you're going to get your shine back. So I'm going to switch to 800, and this doesn't require as much work. I like to just hit everything from every angle, up and down, and left and right, and diagonal, essentially. And then 1,500, same thing. And then some 3,000. I guess it's kind of hard to see a reflection in that. That's so good. That was all set. Made it hard. We made it pretty far. So go ahead and like, subscribe, and get notifications for this and other jobs. We actually get a bunch of other cracks on this. We're going to spin the boat around later today. So this is the last little spot, except for there's a, hard to see, a series of cracks. There's crush all the way here, all the way up to here. So we're gonna do that last once it's out of the water. It's a big mess, but in any case, thanks again for watching.